Wagon 7 is a powerful blue engine carrying Adani Agro wagon C
Adani wagon,
is a very wonderful look wagon
special wagon.
as might be
I have seen first time.
imported because very few has been seen here on railway track. It's especially imported for farm product transportation purpose. Adani is supposed to introduce a farm business in India, and the government amended the
Adani Agri wagon.
rules. Unfortunately, the rules has been slightly taken back, so this business is little slow down. Otherwise, it will be in huge business. So you can see we are concerned about this wagon. It's very good and airtight wagon, specially designed for food grains transportation. It is easy to load and upload from bottom. It's a unique design. Adani containers, Adani Agro wagon is there is no comment on this business deal, but we are explaining this wagon. Very wonderful look. Sometimes it's see another train has come. Wagon 9 green powerful engine, 9,000 horsepower.
Adani wagon, see written Adani wagon.
It's also carrying Adani Agro product wagon.
Adani Agri
Is a
food grain
very
carrier.
easy to load the wagon on from the top. For top cover might have open, and bottom is the unloading point. Very nice. Train is moving very fast, transporting to the various spot of the country.
Special design wagon.
I hope you will like my video, watch generously, share among your friends, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Watch. Thank you.